So, para mas maintindihan natin, isa-isahin natin yung mga posibleng mga mangyari dun sa or posibleng mga given na ibigay para sa atin, no? So, first, what if the given angle or the theta is negative? Now, for example, the given theta is sine -45 degrees. Okay? Sine -45 degrees. So, una natin gagawin, we need to look for the coterminal angle. Okay? So, we need to get the coterminal angle. So, paano natin gagawin yon? We need to add it to the 360 degrees. Okay? So negative 45, no, negative 45 plus 360 degrees. So that is equals to 300, okay? 315 degrees. This is not the reference angle yet. This is the coterminal angle. Kumbaga, equivalent angle niya, no? Kung magiging positive yung rotation, kasi ang rotation ng negative ay clockwise, no? So, kung magiging counterclockwise yung kanyang ikot, ang magiging equivalent niya ay 315. Okay? So, in this case, we understand that 315 degrees is in the fourth quadrant. So, let's draw our Cartesian plane. Okay? So, kung ganyan ang ikot niyan, so titigil siya sa fourth quadrant. Okay? So, we draw the terminal side, then we form our triangle. Okay? So, kung yan yung terminal side, so this is our reference angle. So, what is our reference angle? Since it's in the fourth quadrant, our formula, that's 360 degrees minus the coterminal sides. So that is 315 degrees. So that is 45 degree. Okay. So this is 45 degree. Then we conclude that this other side is 45 degree because we're ready for a right triangle. So now we agree that the ratio is the sides or the legs, that's 1. And this is -1 since pababa siya. And this is the hypotenuse is square root of 2. Now, when we will be solving for the sine, so sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Ang gagamitin nating angle is yung reference angle. So this is 45. So what's the opposite? So that's -1. So sine -45 degrees, okay, is equals to -1, okay, -1 over the hypotenuse, the square root of 2. So that is equals to, hindi pa siya yung final answer natin kasi we need to rationalize it since merong square root sa baba. So we we multiply both sides by the square root of 2. So -1 times square root of 2. So that is negative square root of 2 over 2, the square root of 2 times square root of 2, that's square root of 4. So our final answer for sine 45 is square root of 2 over, what's the square root of 4? That is 2. So that is negative kasi negative yung ano. Negative square root of 2 over 2. That is our answer for sine. Okay? So if we wanted to get for if we wanted to solve, syempre hihingin din natin yung cosine. Okay? So pag hiningi natin yung cosine, so that is for cosine, what's cosine? So that's adjacent. So what is adjacent? So 1. Okay? Cosine -45 degrees. So that is 1. Okay? So that is 1 over hypotenuse, square root of 2. So we still rationalize it, divided by square root of 2 over square root of 2. So that is square root of, square root of 2 over square root of 4. So that is positive square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so that is our cosine. Okay, let's solve for our tangent. Okay, tangent -45 degrees is equals to Tangent negative 45 degrees. What's tangent? SOHCAHTOA. TOA. So that's opposite. So that's -1. Okay. Over adjacent over 1. Okay. So pwede nyong i-divide pero we just simply since it's 1, so the answer is -1. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's one scenario that the given theta or the given theta is negative. So, paano naman kapag ang ibinigay sa atin na problem is sobra sa isang rotation? Okay, so sobra sa isang rotation, positive rotation. So, for example, ang pinapahanap sa atin is sine, okay, sine 390 degrees. Okay, sine 390 degrees. So, we still look for the coterminal angle. Okay, so how can we get the coterminal angle of 390 degrees? So, simply, kapag ganito yung given, kapag sobra siya, so katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo dati, it's 390 degrees, no? Minus the total rotation, so 360 degrees. Okay, so that is equals to 360 minus or 390 minus 360. So that is 30 degrees. So this is not the reference angle, but the coterminal angle. But if, as we all know, since 30 degrees is in quadrant 1, automatic, that is also our reference angle. So let's draw. Okay, let us now draw our Cartesian plane. Okay, let us now draw our Cartesian plane. Okay, kasi sa quadrant number 1 siya. So 30 degrees, so probably, okay. So this is the 30 degrees, okay. 30-degree triangle, so this is 30. So we assume since this is a right triangle, so this is 60, okay. So this is 45. So the size of the size of the short leg, that's 1, okay. The size of the hypotenuse, that's 2. The size of the longer leg is the square root of 3. Okay? May negative ba tayo? Wala, since all is positive. Okay? So, paano natin hanapin? Let's find sine 390 degrees. Okay? So, that is opposite. So, gagamitin nating reference is the reference angle. Okay? So, 30. So, opposite, that's 1. Okay, 1 over, okay, opposite over hypotenuse, so 2. So that's 1/2. Okay, next, let's find for the cosine, 390 degrees. Okay, cosine 390 degrees. So ka, so it's adjacent. Okay, so square root of 3. Okay, over. Adjacent over hypotenuse, square root of 3 over 2, okay, and tangent 390 degrees. So that is, so TOA, that's the opposite, okay, that's the opposite over the adjacent, okay. So we need to rationalize, so square root of 3 over square root of 3, so that's square root of 3 over square root of 9. Okay, so that is square root of 3, square root of 3 over 3. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So, yung reciprocal function, no? Cosecant, the cosecant, secant, and cotangent, ganun lang din. Baliktad, di ba? Babaliktarin lang. So, 2 over 1. Then ito, that's 2 over square root of 3. So of course, we multiply both sides by the square root of 3. Okay, square root of 3. So that's 2 square root of 3 over 3. Okay, and cotangent, that's 1 over, or sorry, 3 square, oh sorry, 1 over square root of 3. Okay? Gano'n lang siya kasimple. So what if naman ang given natin is above 360 pero negative rotation. So what if we are looking for sine negative 405 degrees. Okay? So let's solve for the coterminal angle. Okay? So first we need to again do it. Since it's negative, we need to add it. Okay, with 360. Okay, so we need to add it with 360 degrees. So negative 405 degrees plus 360 degrees. So that is, syempre magiging minus to kasi di ba magkaiba sila ng sign. So magiging 45. Tapos in the rule of integers, if-follow natin yung sign ng mas malaki. So that will be still negative kasi mas malaki yung 405. But since we are still having negative, we still have negative angle. Since we have negative angle, we need to add it to 360 again para maging positive siya. So, negative 45 degrees plus 360 degrees. So, negative 45 degrees plus 360 degrees. So that is equals to 315 degrees. Again, this is not still the reference angle. This is still our coterminal angle. So equivalent. So we know that 315 belongs in what quadrant? It belongs in quadrant number 4. So let's draw the triangle. Okay, let's draw the triangle. Okay, since we draw the triangle here, we know this is a right triangle. So this is 315 degrees. So para ma-solve natin, so 360 degrees for reference angle. 360 minus 315. So that is equals to 45 degrees. Okay, so this is 45 degrees. So therefore, this is 45 triangle. So again, this is 1, but not just 1, negative 1, then 1 and the square root of 2. Okay, so again, then let's solve for sine. Okay, again, for sine negative 405 degrees is equals to, okay, opposite. Okay, that's opposite. Okay, so negative 1 over hypotenuse. Square root of 2 is equals to um, negative square root of 2 over 2. Kasi nga, di ba, minultiply natin yan. So, magiging, sige, para hindi kayo malito, may natin ilagay. So, negative square root of 2 over square root of 4. So, magiging answer natin, negative square root of 2 over 2. Okay? Let's do it for the cosine. So, cosine negative 405 degrees is equals to um, cosine is ka, that's adjacent. So that's 1 over the square root of 2. So it's equals to, simple natin, alam na natin kung paano natin siya gagawin. That's square root of 2 over 2. Okay? Then our tangent, okay, tangent negative 405 degrees is equals to TOA. So that's opposite. So negative 1 over 1 or just simply negative 1. Okay? Yan. So I think that's all. We will try to have more examples, okay, or more exercises. If you have any question, just message me. Thank you.